So it is from 6 months to 6 years. What are the features of deciduous dentition? First of all, space dentition, then closed dentition, deep overbite, overjet, terminal plane relation. Now space dentition. Spacing in the dentition could be physiologic or primate. Terminal plane relationship could be flush terminal plane, mesial step or distal step. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्पेस डेंटिशन और ओपन डेंटिशन, मतलब जो डेसिडुअस टूथ है, प्राइमरी टूथ है, उनके बीच में गैप. प्राइमरी डेंटिशन विथ इंटरडेंटल स्पेसेस. टाइप्स ऑफ स्पेसिंग, इट कुड बी फिजियोलॉजिक या फिर प्राइमेट. डेवलपमेंटल, फिजियोलॉजिक और जनरलाइज्ड स्पेसिंग. सी फिजियोलॉजिक स्पेसिंग को डेवलपमेंटल जनरलाइज्ड भी बोलते हैं. It is present throughout the primary dentition. Now it is developed because of antero-posterior jaw growth. Significance, it minimizes the chances for crowding in permanent dentition. And value, see this is important, this is asked in Viva. Maxillary arch में 4 mm, mandibular arch में 3 mm. Next is primate, simian or anthropoid spaces. Why are they called so? Because they are usually seen in monkeys. So this is also present in both maxillary and mandibular arches. Maxilla में it is present between the deciduous lateral incisor and canine. Means 2 और 3 के बीच में. Means B and C के बीच में. In mandible it is present between deciduous canine and first molar in C and D. Significance, it is used in early mesial shift. Next is closed or non-spaced dentition. Primary teeth without any spaces. They cause wider primary teeth. इनके causes क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Wider primary teeth or reduced arch length. Closed dentition invariably leads to crowding in the permanent dentition. See, next is deep bite. When primary incisors erupt, the overbite is deep. Primary incisors are vertically inclined. देखो डीप बाइट क्यों प्रेजेंट होती है प्राइमरी में? बिकॉज जो प्राइमरी इंसाइजेस हैं वो वर्टिकली इंक्लाइंड होते हैं. इट रिड्यूसेस ओवर टाइम. क्यों रिड्यूस होता है? उसके 2 रीजन है. मोलर्स इरप्ट हो जाते हैं, उसकी वजह से बाइट ओपन होगी, पीछे के दांत आएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली बाइट ओपन होगी. दूसरा, इंसाइजर्स का एट्रीजन होने लग जाता है. बाय 6 years इट इज़ एन एज टू एज रिलेशनशिप. सी, दिस इज़ द डीप बाइट, वेरस बाद में जाके वो करेक्ट हो जाता है और एज टू एज रिलेशनशिप में आ जाता है. ओवरजेट. Overjet is initially more. It decreases with the movement of whole dental arch anteriorly. Overjet in primary dentition is 1 to 2 mm. Next is terminal plane relationship. Baumei's classification of primary teeth based on relationship of upper and lower primary second molars in sagittal direction. Now see, टर्मिनल प्लेन रिलेशनशिप मतलब प्राइमरी मोलर्स का क्लासिफिकेशन बताने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करना है? एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है ऑन द डिस्टल सरफेस ऑफ मैक्सिलरी एंड मैंडिबुलर सेकेंड प्राइमरी मोलर्स. डिस्टल सरफेस में लाइन आएगी दोनों मैक्सिलरी और मैंडिबुलर के सेकेंड मोलर्स में प्राइमरी. सी, लाइक दिस. नाउ वी ऑलरेडी सॉ टर्मिनल प्लेन रिलेशनशिप 3 होगा. First is straight or flush terminal plane. It is seen in 76% cases if the line is straight. Then is mesial step. अगर lower molar जो है वो mesial होगा upper के. It is seen in 14% cases. Next is distal step. If the line of lower molar is distal to the upper molar. Now Again, let us revise what were the different stages of occlusal development. They were predental, deciduous, mixed, and permanent. In predental, the two key points that we saw were face and jaw were present distally, and the vertical gap was present between the upper and lower gum pads. Upper was overlapping completely the lower gum pad anteriorly and posteriorly. Now in deciduous dentition, what are the features that we saw? First, that the dental arches are normally ovoid in shape. Next, deep bite is present initially, which changes to edge relationship earlier. जिसके दो reasons थे क्या? Eruption of molars, primary molars, and accretion of the incisal edges. Next, developmental spaces are present, which are of two types क्या? Physiologic and primate. Primate space कहाँ पे present होती है? Maxilla में. It is present between lateral incisor and canine, whereas in mandible it is present between canine and first molar. There is shallow intercuspal contact, straight or vertical inclination of incisors, which is one reason for the deep bite. Next is flat curve of spee. Then there is minimal overjet, and there is absence of crowding. Thank you. Keep visiting.